I decided to speak here today at Birmingham because it gave me such a lot. I think it's an excellent business school and it continues to contribute to people's lives, and being part of the start of an MBA program just reminds me of my first few weeks and how much I was looking forward to it. So I just wanted to give something back. I decided to study for the MBA because I felt it wasn't a finished article. I was a science grad by training, but I'd find myself, due to my personality, in sales, marketing, commercial roles, found myself enjoying them, and I felt I lacked marketing training, finance training, and I really wanted to know how these parts of the business worked. And I think certainly the toolbox for communications, leadership, how to approach problems, and how to understand members of the team that have very different skill sets and backgrounds to you, that's come in handy, and I got to where I wanted to go. I wanted to be the director of an international business, and here I am. And I put the MBA down as a big contributory factor for that. Describing a successful leader, there's a million definitions. I think the ones that come to my mind, you have to have drive and enthusiasm to bring people with you. You need to have empathy and understand people that are working for you and people you're working with. You've got to be persistent, not give up. You've got to adapt to change and actually enjoy change, because it's going to come. And just really love what you do. If you don't love what you do, you're not enthusiastic about it, your chances of success are reduced.